Hi there, this is a quick how-to video on how to upload an Adobe Captivate project onto the Google Cloud platform. So the first thing you want to do is you want to finalize your Adobe project, make sure everything that you need is in there. You're going to want to publish it. You want to click Publish for Devices. Notice that my e-learning output is disabled. So Google Cloud, whenever the user is trying to look at your module, a option will pop up that's saying that all content will not be displayed properly if this is selected as SCORM or e-learning. So make sure that says disabled. That can be done by clicking it and making sure that the check mark is not there on enable reporting for this project. You'll click OK. And then everything else will look good here. And you're going to want to title it something that is going to be recognizable. So for example, I put Google right here. You're going to publish it. It'll take a few seconds to load. After it's loaded, you're going to want to go to your Finder if you're using Mac OS or your search bar. It'll say it's uploaded completely. And then you'll see that it's compressed into a zip file. So you're going to want to click your zip file, double click it, open it up. It's going to decompress, and then you'll have a saved folder right here. This is really important because you're going to want to use all of these items entirely in your Google platform. So let's go back to our browser. You're going to, once you create a login account for Google Cloud Platform, you're going to create a bucket. You are going to want to name it. Remember, everything needs to be undercase. So I'm going to use Salinas_Captivate Project. Continue. Continue again. Set permissions uniformly at bucket level. And then you're going to create. So you're going to have your bucket that's entitled with your project right here. And you're going to notice this dropped files here. So it's a very easy, simple motion. You grab all your files and then you bring it over down here. It's a large file, so take depending on the size of your project, a few moments to upload. Once your files have been uploaded, you're going to go back to bucket details. Where your bucket is, you're going to click the three dots on the right-hand corner, edit bucket permissions. You're going to add members. You're going to select all users. Then, as you'll look in my how-to, you're going to look for the role as a storage object viewer. Select role storage object viewer. Save, and you should be good. So you're going to go back to the project. You're going to make sure that everything says public, especially this .html. And this is going to be your link that you're going to be able to connect using a bit.ly or using a hyperlink on your Google site. Thank you for joining our TELPAS review for new teachers. Today we'll please select a teacher that will guide you the rest of the module. This link right here is going to be especially important that you're going to be able to copy in your hyperlink. So you'll go open up your Google Sites page. Whatever page you do want to put it on, just think about the page you're going to want on it. So for example, I want mine on my artifacts, and I want it my 5310 artifact, and I have an uploaded module. So let me just erase that. I'm going to write module test. I'm going to create a link for it. The link that I copied, apply. And so whenever, module test. So whenever someone clicks module test, it should be able to upload. And work. Thank you for joining our TELPAS review for new teachers. Today we'll be working